Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron II ceiling fan in white. This fan is from June of 2000. There's not really too much to say about this fan. It was along the route for my road trip and it was free, so I just wanted to get it. Not much else to say about it. It came with a long down rod. There she is, but for the video I threw on a 6-inch down rod for testing. Came all complete, came with the mounting bracket, the trim rings, everything like that, so not much to complain about there. The bearings on this aren't the best. I'm not really sure why, because these were pretty good fans overall. I'm not sure where the bearings went out on this one, but you'll be able to hear it on the higher speeds when I bring the camera up close. But anyway, there is low. Has a hum to it, but also have my suspicions that the capacitor might be going out too. Maybe. I'm not too sure. Has some life left in it. And I've seen these countless numbers of times growing up, so they are childhood fans for me. And I still see them around to this day because they haven't really died off yet. People just change them because of the styles. That's really the only thing. It's about low speed, medium, not really sure why the switch cap is yellowed. It just wasn't made of a good material. I know it's actually the same deal with the Hunter Infinity. Those switch caps yellow a lot too. Okay, that's that. And here's high. Gets moving. It's not really a slouch, as you see at least. Oh, it's having a little fight over there with that string. Alright, now that's weird. Well, I just found out something. Because when I first tested this fan, the bearings were terrible, and now they've silenced it down. I guess they just need to be broken out. But he's moving air. And here's off. Logos over there. Has the metal pull chain. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.